This video is to help you complete the Accounting of Time form on ATS for Chowan University. So this form is only for new students. So if you're a returner, you do not need to complete this. So new students, student athletes, if you just graduated high school, if you're transferring in from another institution, if you took a gap year in between high school and college, all of this applies to you. So you open the form. If you just graduated high school in May or June, the only thing you have to click on this form is the answer yes to the first question. So you would click that, you would scroll to the very end of the form, you would sign your name and save the form like you've done with the others. If you had not just graduated high school, so you're a transfer student, you took a gap year, you took time off to work, whatever the situation, your answer is going to be no, and we're going to need you to fill out the rest of this form. So you transferred in, you're going to answer no, you'll list your sport, your name, date of birth, student ID number, all this obviously is your information. Graduation date from high school, this just needs to be the month and the year. So if you graduated in June of 2022, that's all you have to put. It doesn't have to be June 12th, 2022, month and year. From there, we're going to have you give us an account of where you were by semester, going backwards from the current semester all the way back to when you graduated from high school. So if you graduated from high school June 2022, you're going to start with spring 24. So where it says semester and year, you're going to put spring 2024. And I put this in parentheses for each section to kind of keep you on track. So spring 2024, name of institution. If you're enrolled somewhere, you can put that you're enrolled in Bryan and Stratton. Put if you're full-time, part-time, whatever amount of class load you had, you're going to answer the questions. Did you practice? Did you compete? To whatever you did at that institution. So you'll do that. Then you see here we want semester and year again. So this will be the semester before that, which will be fall of 2023. So if you're still at the same school, put that information, status, did we practice, did we compete? So we've got the previous year done. We still got one more year between that and when you graduated high school. So maybe in spring 23, maybe you were not in school. That's all right. So if you were not enrolled in school at that time, you need to put what you're doing. So if you had a job, say you worked at Home Depot, you're going to put that. If you were not working, you did not go to school at all, then you just say, I did nothing that semester. From there, you can't really put your enrollment status. You're not practicing or competing for Home Depot, so that's going to be no. And then say fall of 22, maybe you started off at a different school. So fall 22, you were at Lewisburg College. And you're still going to answer the questions. You're full-time. You practiced for the team. You did not compete. Whatever the situation. So now we're all the way back to fall 2022. You graduated high school in June 2022. So that's the last semester you'll need to fill out for this form. If you graduated earlier, like 2020, then you're going to keep filling out the semesters until you get back to where you graduated high school. So we'll scroll all the way to the end of this form, to the very last page. There's one more question we need you to answer. So the very last question is going to say, number of years participated, including all institutions. Participated means you practiced and or competed. So if you practiced for a year and then you practiced and competed another year, that's 2. So we're going to put 2 as our answer. Click yes, that all of our information is correct. Then we'll go to the bottom, we'll click here, we'll sign our name, and then we'll save the form. And that is all you need to do for that form. So if you have questions about that, hopefully this answers your questions. If not, reach out to any one of us and we'll gladly assist.